This video will demonstrate some of the teacher account functions for the KCA Test Builder formative testing tool. The Test Builder gives students and teachers experience using the same tools that would be utilized during the actual computerized state assessment in Kansas. Once you have received your username and password, you will need to log on to the KCA Test Builder website. The easiest way to get started is to use an existing test. To do this, simply click the Existing Tests button. Here, you will see all of the tests that have been assigned to you by your building's test administrator. To preview a test, click the Preview button. This will show you all of the questions contained in that test. For a reading test, you will also be able to see the passage associated with those questions. Once you have found the test you would like to administer to your students, simply click Add to My Tests. The next step is to prepare the test for administering to students. Click on New Administration. Give the test an administration name. Use a description that will help you identify this test administration at a later date. This might be class-specific, content-specific, or relative to the date administered. Create a password for this test administration. This password will be used by students to access the test, so be sure to have this password readily available for students when you are ready to administer the assessment. Next, choose a date and time range that this test administration will be available for students. The default window is 1 month, and you can leave the dates as they are if desired. Now, select the correct grade level and subject for the test and decide the type of feedback you would like your students to receive when taking the assessment. Now click Create New Administration. You will be given the session ID and summary from the previous screen. Remember, the session ID and password is what you will give to students in order for them to take the assessment. Now the test is ready for students to take. Once the test has been administered, you can view test results on the same website you used to create the test. When you log back in, you will be on the My Tests page. Here you can click on the results link for any of the assessments that have been taken by students. This screen gives a brief overview of the overall results of the assessment. To quickly view a test question, simply click on the item number. By clicking the PDF or Word icons, you will be able to download detailed reports for that assessment. For more detailed information, you can click on the Manual button at the top of the screen in order to download the entire teacher's manual.